Hey man, say man, it's your favorite homegirl,
your favorite twins,
the Toots twins. I'm Big Toots.
And I'm Little Toots.
And we here to give y'all a tutorial on how to install the Ulanzi wide-angle lens. And y'all, we got this off of Amazon for around about like $50. I'll put the link to our storefront so y'all can grab it too. But it fits the Sony ZV-1F, Sony ZV-1, and the Sony E10. You got either one of those, you will be good to go. And then we also got the step-up ring, the adapter. And all of these, y'all, they're going to be in the description below for y'all to go look and get it. But if y'all want like wide-angle shots, because the Sony cameras is just not wide enough, so you have to get this if you want wide-angle shots. Like, this is the lens and the step-up ring. Very, very good investment for beginner YouTubers. And if y'all want the wide angle shots, then you need to have this. But this is why y'all came to the video. Y'all want to know how to put it on and install it, so we finna jump into it. What we're gonna do is just show y'all how we unboxed everything. Like, it came with a nice lens cover for the lens. I really appreciated that because I thought I was gonna have to go get one, but it came with the box. And it's a pretty nice size lens. It's still compact, I feel, and I just want to show y'all the wide angle macro 52mm. That's the lens. But what's inside of this box, we are not actually going to use this. It came with the Ulanzi lens. It's like an adapter, well, not an adapter, it's like a sticky adhesive. We're not going to use that. That's why we bought the adapter ring, because that's what we're going to use to attach the lens to the Sony ZV-1F. With that little sticky adapter stuff, baby, that lens is going to fall clean up off of there. But this is going to be firm, so we are actually going to put that on. And let me get my life together, y'all. We just got stuff everywhere. But I'm gonna open my handy dandy camera bag, and here is my beautiful Sony ZV-1F. Y'all, we record all of our YouTube videos on this camera. It's very compact, very small. We wanted something as beginner vloggers, you know, that was small and didn't attract a lot of attention. But here is the stepped up adapter. You're gonna screw that onto the lens first. Screw that on and make sure that it is tight, because y'all do not want that lens to fall off. Like, this is a $50 lens, but still, it's a good $50 lens. But after you screw it on, make sure you take the cover off. It's two covers. You got the lens cover, and then I guess you got the back lens cover. I don't know, but screw that off, and then screw the lens onto the adapter. And it's gonna spin for a minute, but make sure it's tight before you start filming, because like I said, y'all, please do not screw it and then it falls off. But this is how it looks when it's screwed on. I just want to show y'all the details. It looks so nice, y'all. It looks so nice. OMG. So this is how it looks when I'm holding it on my gimbal that came with Sony. I actually have a dummy battery. I'll send y'all the link for that too. If your camera battery is dying, I'm gonna send you the link. This is a shot from just regular. This is the lens that came with the Sony ZV-1F. Like, it's cool, but we want it wider. This is wider, way wider. Like, you can see a lot more in our apartment with this lens on the camera. Like, it just made it wide, like wide, like big old wide. Like, I love it. So I'm gonna do another shot. This is with the Sony ZV-1F, the lens that came with that. And this is just way wider, y'all. All the links in the description. I'm Big Toots. And I'm Little Toots. And make sure y'all check out all these items in our Amazon storefront. And let us know in the comments if this tutorial was helpful. Peace out.